Yo, what's up guys? It's Nevada here, back again with another video, and in today's video I will be playing the limited time one shot one kill mode. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this mode down below, and also let me know what you think about this video. And in this mode, well, first of all, I usually play three finger claw, but because of this mode, I've been using four finger claw, and I'm not really that good at four finger claw. So you guys gonna see me make a lot of mistakes in this video, but you know, see, it is what it is. But yeah, if you guys enjoy, like and subscribe, turn on post notification, and drop a comment down below what you think about this video. Peace. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the game that I actually lost. I came second. This was my first match on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you my second match on. The second match I actually won, so I'm gonna show you guys this match right now. Let's get into it. All right, so the second match is on Crash, one shot kill, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this video. But first, before I go, so there will be a snipers only limited time mode. So when that's out, you know, I'm gonna definitely give you guys some gameplay in that, and hopefully I got some cool clips I can go ahead and put in a sniper montage for you guys. But yeah, and also I do have a 1v1 video dropping really soon, maybe even today, because this is a really good 1v1. I played 3 matches and I win 2 out of the 3 matches. So you know, I won the first match and I won the final match. So you know, and I have some pretty cool clips to show you guys. And they was saying like, oh, your shot's not hitting, your shot's not hitting, it's lag, better ping, you know. And I'm saying, what the fuck are my shots? Your shot's not hitting me, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like the slowed version as well, you know, showing you guys that I'm not cheating. And I also do have a hand cam as well, so please look out for that video soon. So that's going up even tomorrow morning or even today, honestly. But yeah, please guys enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the video down below. Peace.